The 2026 Hyundai Sonata Motorhome Camper is not just a vehicle, it's a statement, a bold reimagination of what travel and comfort can look like on wheels. When you first set your eyes on it, you realize Hyundai has done something extraordinary. They've taken the elegance and sharp design cues of the Sonata sedan, a car celebrated for its futuristic style, and stretched it into a motorhome camper that turns heads on highways and stuns in luxury parks. Its sleek aerodynamic lines, sculpted LED lighting, and bold grille are unmistakably Sonata, but scaled up into a mobile masterpiece that combines sophistication with utility. Step closer and the transformation becomes clear. This is no ordinary camper, it's built for those who refuse to compromise between performance, design, and indulgence. Hyundai engineers have equipped it with a cutting-edge hybrid powertrain, merging electric motors with a refined combustion engine to deliver smooth, powerful performance while keeping fuel efficiency and sustainability at the forefront. Imagine gliding down scenic routes in near silence, only the whisper of the road beneath you, all while knowing you've got the strength to conquer mountains, deserts, or coastal highways without hesitation. Open the door, and the experience becomes truly breathtaking. The interior is where Hyundai's luxury vision shines brightest. Every inch is designed to feel like a modern penthouse suite on wheels. The cabin is bathed in natural light through panoramic smart glass windows that can tint at the touch of a button for privacy or energy efficiency. Rich leather seating, polished wood veneers, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of calm elegance, wrapping you in sophistication the moment you step inside. The lounge area is spacious and welcoming, fitted with plush recliners and a convertible sofa that can double as additional bedding when needed. A wide 4K entertainment system with surround sound transforms evenings into cinema nights, while a built-in smart assistant ensures every convenience is only a voice command away. Whether you want to dim the lights, adjust the climate, or stream your favorite series, everything is seamless, futuristic, and intuitive. The kitchen is a masterpiece of compact luxury, equipped with induction cooktops, a sleek refrigerator, convection oven, and ample storage. The countertops are crafted from lightweight stone composite, merging durability with beauty, while the smart layout ensures you can prepare meals without ever feeling cramped. The master bedroom redefines relaxation. A king-sized memory foam bed, wrapped in premium fabrics, promises unmatched rest after long days of adventure. Overhead skylights bring starlit nights directly into your space, while soundproof walls and climate control ensure the perfect environment for restful sleep no matter where you are. Integrated storage solutions keep everything organized without sacrificing the clean, modern design. And then there's the bathroom, an elegant sanctuary. Full-height rain shower, vanity with LED backlighting, heated flooring, and premium fixtures all come together to create a spa-like retreat that rivals luxury hotels. It's proof that even on the road, you never have to compromise on comfort or indulgence. Technology plays a central role throughout. From solar panels on the roof feeding an advanced battery management system, to satellite internet connectivity and biometric entry for ultimate security, the Sonata Motorhome Camper is built for a future where freedom and luxury coexist seamlessly. Hyundai has gone beyond simply building a camper, they've created a lifestyle machine, a home for the ambitious traveler who seeks both adventure and refinement. Driving this motorhome is an experience in itself. With adaptive suspension, advanced driver assist systems, and Hyundai's latest autonomous driving tech, long journeys feel effortless. Lane keeping, adaptive cruise, obstacle detection, and even semi-autonomous parking make the Sonata Motorhome one of the most stress-free luxury RVs to operate. It's not just about reaching your destination, it's about savoring every mile of the journey. The 2026 Hyundai Sonata Motorhome Camper isn't simply a vehicle, it's a revolution. A symbol of innovation, design, and ultimate freedom. Whether parked beside the ocean, nestled in the mountains, or cruising through futuristic highways, this motorhome ensures every moment is an unforgettable experience of luxury on wheels.